Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitu's Thai Kitchen. Today we've got a great street food dish from Thailand called Hoi Tod. Mussel omelette that's crispy, crunchy, spicy. So if this sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this. Alright, let's take a look at the ingredients. So we've got bean sprouts, 1 egg, coriander and spring onion, 200 grams of pre-cooked mussels, a batter mix of 3 tablespoons, and sriracha chili sauce. So boil some water in your wok. Add the mussels for about 15-20 seconds. Add 3 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of the seafood batter mix. Add a pinch of salt. Give it a good stir, really good stir. Add the coriander and spring onion to the mixture. Keep stirring. Make sure all of the batter mixture is mixed with the water. Add a bit of white pepper. Give that wok a good quick clean and heat the wok to remove any excess water. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce and heat your oil. Make sure the oil coats as much of the wok as possible and remove any excess oil. Put in your egg. Add your mussel mixture. A little bit more oil if needed. Flip it over to make sure both sides are evenly cooked. Once it's started to crisp, break it up. Add the raw bean sprouts. And that's it. Ready to plate up. It's as easy as that. All right. So here's our hoi tart. Here we got our sriracha chili sauce. It's got so well together. There you go, your egg, spring onion, bean sprouts, all coming together. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Check us out next week. We're gonna try and do at least a video every Friday. It's really difficult because we're really busy and I'm really missing making content here. So we'll see you next week. We've got a crab dish for you next week. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. It really does help. Thanks guys, bye.